In this video, we are going to see about giving directions. After some few demonstrations, there will be a short quiz. The quiz is very simple. You will listen and guess my destination. You guess where I'm going or where I am. Go along, go straight, follow this road. They all mean the same thing. They all basically mean go straight. Take the left, go left, turn left or right. They are all saying the same thing, proceed to the direction. How do I get to school from here? Go straight, turn right at the second corner. School is the second block on your right. Where is the city office? Go along this road, go past the hospital, keep going straight. Turn right at the bank, go straight a little bit. City office is the tall building opposite the pet shop. The dinosaur wants to go to the amusement park. Go along this road. Take the left at the second corner. The amusement park is on the left. The dinosaur wants to swim. Let's go to the pond. Go straight. You will see a pond at the end of the road. Now here is your question for you. If the blue car goes straight to the end of the street, what will it see? You have 5 seconds to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, there is a bee reserve, a pond, and perhaps a car park too. Okay, let's try this one. The yellow car will take the right at the first corner. It will go straight, take the left at the next corner. Then it will just go straight. What do you think it will see? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, that's the city office again. And here is the last one. We won't be driving, we'll be flying. Okay, we will fly right off the station and then take the next left, and we will fly all the way to the end. What are we going to see? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yes, that is a horse stable. If you fly straight to the third block on your left, what country is that? That's right, That's South Africa. Fly straight. Take the left at the third corner. Fly for 1 block. Take the right at the second block on the right. What country is it? What country is that? Yes, it's Norway. Fly straight. Take the left at the third corner. Fly straight and take the right at the second corner. Fly to the second block on the left. What country is it? You've got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right. That is Ghana. Okay, this will be all for now. Let's continue next time.